This is part 2 of the level unlock system. Okay, in this part we now have to create save game data, and add some functionality for the buttons. Okay, first thing first, let's go here and go to the blueprint class. After that, go all classes, search for save data, save game. Rename this one my save game BP. Okay, double click it. Okay, in this save game, we have to create some variable. First one selected as boolean, level 2 unlock, level 2 unlocked. Second one, level 3 unlocked. Fourth one, level 4 unlocked. Okay, hit compile, save, and let's return here to my level UI widget. Okay, by default, the level 1 is unlocked. Let's open level by object reference, set LV01. Make it right here. And now let's add functional for reset data. Delete game in slot. Well, I'm not rename this slot S1 and print string, print a message for this one. Let's change the color of those. Print string. Game is resetted. I think it's fine. Okay, let's move right here and command this one, reset data. Now let's implement the save game data. Let's go here to the event construct. We have to does save game exist, and the slot number 1 is 1. Set branch, press B. Connect the return value to the condition. If it is not exist, create save game object. Create save game object. Choose my save game BP. Blueprint. Now save game to slot. Okay, and set my slot S1. From this one, let's load the game. If it exists, load game from slot S1 and make it right here. Finally, let's cast it to my save game. Save game BP. From this, let's create a variable, promote variable, my save game BP. I want to use this variable to the save game. Okay, file. All of this commented and create save game. Let's move here to, from this one, let's get my save game BP and drag this one and set is valid. If it is valid, drag here this object reference. From my save game BP, set the get level 2 unlocked. 2 is unlocked, and from this and press B for branch. If it's true, open level number 2. Level by object reference. level number 2. Now let's duplicate this for all of those. Okay, if it's valid, now change this one by level number 3. 3 is unlocked. Here, level 3. Control V another time to duplicate it. From its valid, let's get level 4. You can add the levels as you want. Hit compile, save all. Okay, now let's move right here and let's get layer controller. From this one, set input game only. Okay, drag this node for all the levels. By default, all of these levels are locked. Let's make it here print string, and this print string gonna set locked. Okay, from the false nodes, false input, drag it all to the print string, and from that we have to remove from parent. Remove from parent. Okay, what remains? You have to compile all. After that, before that, set game post, make it true. Okay, fine. And in this second video, I'll add save game, creating save game data, blueprint class, and add some functionality for the buttons. On the next part and the final part, part 3, we have to add a teleport system between levels with the save game data. Want to create actor, teleporter, actor, and we have to add the functionality for the level. When you access to the teleport, you move to level 2 and level 3 and level 4 and lastly. Okay, fine guys, thank you for watching. This is all for this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel and support me on the Patreon for more tutorials like this. See you later in the next tutorial.